Everyone, I'm recording this short video today to talk to you about how to join an MS Teams meeting. So there are a few ways to do it. I'm going to start with the most straightforward way that doesn't involve downloading anything. So what you would do is go to waketech.edu and then go up here on the right to logins. You're going to log into mywaketech.edu and then we're going to wait for it to load. You'll go ahead and sign in like you normally would. And then you'll see on the upper left-hand corner, there are these little dots here, this little, I'm circling it. It's a little square full of dots. So you would click on those dots, which is the app launcher, and you would go down here to where it says Teams. Click on Teams and wait for it to load. I'm going to go ahead and allow it to use the cookies it wants to use. And my computer takes its sweet time, so potentially yours will as well. Here we go. Okay, so here we are, and you can see that this is a collection of all the teams for the different classes you might be enrolled in. So depending on which class you're in, for example, if you're in drawing, you'd go to this image here, which is the same image as the banner for our class, which is Art 131. If you were in 2D Foundations, same thing, you'd go down here. This is Art 121. So just for the sake of this demo, let's say you are in Drawing 1. So you would click on the image that has the Drawing 1 lab, and then you would click where it says here. Up here it says Meet. You would click this Meet link, which I'm not going to click right now because we're not actually joining it right now, but that is one way that you could join the meeting. Another way that you could join the meeting, if we go to the left-hand side here, you'll see that there are a couple of different icons. One of them says Calendar. You can click on Calendar. And in Calendar, if you go to the day where you want to meet, like let's say you're in 2D, if you scroll down here to where it says 6 p.m., then you'll see our 2D Design Lab. And clicking on this icon for the meeting, you'll have the option to join. And so you could click Join right there. So this is one way that you can join meetings, either through Calendar or through Teams. Another thing that I'd like to bring up is that I really recommend downloading the app for Teams, because sometimes if you're accessing Teams through Wake Tech in the way that I just showed you, some things can be a little glitchy, or it can be hard to comment and chat with your team members. So what I would recommend is going to wherever it is you happen to get your apps. So for example, here I am on the Google Store, and you could download your Teams app, and then you would click install just like you would for any other app you were downloading. That means that the Teams app will be downloaded onto your device. So when you open it, I'm going to go ahead and open my Teams app. Your Teams app will look something like this, which is super similar, just like a little more streamlined. It'll have all the same options, so you can join your meeting either through the icon or through the calendar. It just happens to be a little bit less glitchy. And now, especially if you're going to be using your phone to access our Teams meetings, I really recommend that you download the app. That's all for now. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you in our meetings. Thanks. Bye.